गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग? होप यू ऑल आर स्टेइंग गुड एट योर होम। So my name is Sunanda. I'm a nutrition consultant from last 7 years in Bangalore. So today I'm going to talk about thyroid issue. That is very common in women especially. So in my clients list, 75 people have this issue. So I thought, okay, let's talk about this issue. So if you have any question, you can write down in comments. So I will definitely tell you about the solution. And basically I will tell you about the thyroid, what is thyroid, how it works, and what is the nutrition approach about that, because this increasing day by day. So when we meet the ladies, so 4 out of 5 women have this issue. So what is thyroid is exactly? So people tell that thyroid, I have a thyroid, but thyroid is not a disease. Thyroid is a gland that we all have. In our neck, there is a butterfly shape of gland surrounded with our windpipe, that is called thyroid gland. The thyroid is very, very important for our body. And as we know, our brain that control all our organs, same as our thyroid also control all the hormones in our body, and this is the first hormone that develop in our body, and after 14 weeks started working. So how it works? So basically our thyroid gland release the hormones called T3, T4 and calcitonin. So these is very important for all our metabolism and all our chemical reaction that is happening in our body, and also required for our immune system, for our urine system, digestive system, our cell growths, and so many things. As I already told, thyroid hormone is very, very important for all of us. And this is the gland that is very important, and this is happens because of this is a lifestyle chronic disease. And basically two types of thyroid is there. And if I talk about, though, 42 million people have this issue in India, and most common is hypothyroid. And what is the reason of this hypothyroid? That is because of stress. Most common reason is stress, nutrition deficiency, iron deficiency, and amino acid deficiency. And if your body is not proper observing nutrition, because of that this happens. And how it works in our brain, there is two organs that is called hypothalamus and pituitary. The people who are science students, they know that pituitary gland that control our whole organs. So what happens when your thyroid gland is not producing T3, T4 gland that give the message to our hypothalamus that we are not getting T3, T4 properly, then that release the TRH, thyroprotein releasing hormone, and that goes in your pituitary gland, and there they release the TSHs, thyroid stimulating gland, and that goes in our thyroid gland. Until that we need T3, T4 and to release, but because of our thyroid gland is not working properly, they are not producing much T3, T4 gland and calcitonin also. So because this is not, then thyroid issue happens, and because we are not getting these things, so all the issues started happening that depend on our thyroid gland. So after that thyroid gland, this only that there is a raw material called selenium, zinc, iron. That is the raw material of our T4 hormones, and that T4 hormones goes in our liver, and that converted into T3 hormones. 80% converted into T3 glands, and then kidney, then there 20% that rest that converted into T3, and then our body start working. So basically, do hypothyroid when our thyroid gland produce less T3 or T4 and calcitonin, and because of that this hypothyroid happens. And when our thyroid gland produce more and more T3 gland, then this is hyperthyroidism happens. So because of all these reasons this is happens. And when the people who has thyroid, here they are taking Thyronorm. So Thyronorm is what? Thyronorm is that T3, T4 hormones that we are taking from outside. And there is no option because of that. But the thyroid gland, that doesn't repair that gland. We are taking only that T3, T4 hormones from outside, but they are not taking care of our thyroid gland. And that is the not permanent solution. And with some of nutrients we can help our thyroid gland to repair. So today I will tell you what are the nutrients that will help you in that. The first nutrients, as I told you, our T3 hormones, T4 hormones raw material, what I told you that is iodine, selenium, zinc, and there is tyrosine protein. So if you increase your protein, then that will help you to recover your thyroid gland. People who has thyroid, they think if I take more protein that will affect my thyroid gland, but that is totally wrong. Only few things, that is raw peanuts, raw cauliflowers, and raw soya, that is restricted in thyroid. But other sources of protein you can take easily, and that will help you. If you are increasing the protein diet, except of these things, that will help you to recover your thyroid gland. And other things, selenium, zinc, that you can take in your food, and what is the sources I already covered in my last session. So that will also help you. And then it is omega. Because what happens in thyroid patient, that fat metabolism doesn't work, and because of that what happens, people started increasing weight because their fat metabolism is not working properly. और आप देखते होंगे, because who has thyroid patient, they are increasing their weight day by day because their fat metabolism is not working. And also that T3, T4 hormone helps in cells growth, that is also not happening. So omega helps in that fat that accumulated in your body, omega reduce that fat, and your cells growth, that helps omega in that also. And the next thing is fiber, because digestive issue happens in thyroid problem. So in that also, that fiber rich food you can take, that will help you, that T3, T4 hormones also, and your digestive system also. So take all the fiber rich foods, you can check and take that. And then last thing is calcium, because what happened, our thyroid gland not able to produce calcitonin. As I told you, in thyroid patient what happened, calcitonin hormones not released properly, and because of that our body not observing calcium, and after some times bone pain, muscles pain start happening. And in that what happened, so calcium helps in that. If you are taking calcium, you have to take more and more calciums in your food, so that calcium also helps in your thyroid gland. And next is in hyperthyroid, what happened. Hyperthyroid is so dangerous and most cancerous also there is a gland, if you this increase, that cancer के chances बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं. So you have to take care about the hyper. This is very minimum cases but very dangerous. So doctor will help you in that, but in that what happens, metabolic work high and high. Because of that they need more and more nutrition, and because they are not taking more nutrition, their weight decreasing day by day. And other things also happens in hyperthyroid patient: weakness, anxiety, stress, nervousness, and hairs also brittle, sleepless. So many things happens. In that case, with doctor prescription, with doctor treatment, you can go with nutrition also. That will help you in that, and increasing your weight. In that also protein help to increase your weight also. And for energy you can take, and omega also, of course, for your brittle hairs, for your good fats, that will help you. And other protein you can take, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin B for energy you can take for that. So check out what you need and take that. That will absolutely help in your thyroid health. So thyronorm is necessary, but with that, if you take care the nutrition part also, that will help you to repair your thyroid gland also. So, and 2-3 things just I want to explain, that some people think that if I take more protein, if we have a thyroid, then it will affect our thyroid gland. But that will not affect your thyroid gland. But few things you have to avoid, that as I told you, that raw peanuts and raw soya and raw cauliflowers, that's it. And other things of protein resource you can take easily, and that will help, because the T4 gland's raw material is tyrosine protein, and if you are not taking proper protein, so it not help you. And excessive exercise also, because if you have a thyroid, don't do excessive exercise. Only 40 to 45 hours is enough. Don't do more than that, because what happens when you do more exercise, that release more your stress hormone, and if that stress hormone is not good for your thyroid gland, so stress is more dangerous. So take care about these things, that will help you absolutely in your thyroid. And if you have a question, you can ask me. I will surely take your questions, and you can come back to me also. If you have any questions, you can ping me. So take care about the thyroid, and please take care about the lifestyle also, because this thyroid is increasing day by day very badly. So most of my customer have this issue, so I thought let's take this topic. So I covered all the things. So thanks for watching, and in my next session definitely I am going to talk about acne, because so many people are telling me कि we want to know about acne problem we have. Because of that, I want to talk about that acne, and in my next section will come with acne. And with this I'm done. Thank you so much. So stay positive, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much. Good night.